Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing the JBL Tune 510BT so the reset can complete without interruption. Make sure the battery is at least 20% charged. Low power can corrupt settings during resets. Once the headset is on, disconnect it from your phone or computer via Bluetooth settings so pairing data can be cleared reliably. Now, press and hold the power button briefly to confirm the unit is responsive. This establishes a stable starting state before we perform the reset. You now perform the actual factory reset. Press and hold the volume plus and volume buttons simultaneously. Hold both buttons for about 5 to 10 seconds. This combination triggers the internal reset routine rather than a simple power cycle. You'll know it worked when the LED indicator flashes or the headset emits a short beep, signs the unit is clearing stored pairings and restoring defaults. Once you see that feedback, release the buttons and let the headset finish its restart. After the reset, you should reboot the headset and then enable Bluetooth on your phone or computer to repair it as a fresh device. This clears old profiles and prevents connection conflicts, which is why a factory reset solves most pairing issues. If pairing still fails, repeat the reset once more and confirm battery level is adequate. If problems persist, try clearing Bluetooth cache on your device or contact JBL support for firmware help as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.